Hey YouTubers, so I was making a new video and I didn't turn the audio on in my recorder, so I wanted to let you guys know about my 1988 C-Ray 230 and all the projects that I'm going to be doing on it. The first one I'm working on today is this Porta Potti. The bellows was broken on it, so I went and ordered one from a company online, and they shipped me a new part. And when I installed it and I filled it with water and I started pumping it, I noticed that the bellows was already leaking right around the rim, like I guess those little rim parts. Um, so you'll see here in a second, I'm gonna start pumping it, and it's pretty hard to see like water shooting out from, like, where those parts kind of compress together. But I guess I was a little disappointed that a brand new part was, kind of leaking right away. So I guess I'll remove this, I'll remove that part and send it back and see what I get for a replacement, and try it out again. Thanks for watching. Sorry about the video, the audio rather. Uh, next time I'll try turning it on first. Take it easy. Thanks for watching.